Hey sisters and brothers, let's get into the product Cloud Stream Store, or you can say this as Stream Store Cloud. Okay, so basically I'm in the members area now, and this is the dashboard of the product, or you can say this is the front preview of this product. Okay, so in this video I will show you the product from inside, and I also give you a detailed review about this product, and also would this product be fitting for you. You can just make the way. Okay, you want to get the product or not. Okay, so something like that. And my second purpose is, or one of the main purposes is, to show you my bonuses, kind of $6,397 bonuses, totally given to you, totally free. Okay, from my side, once you have brought the product from my side. So this is the review page, and inside this page, via going through this page, you can get the product easily, and also my bonuses. So now let me start with the product. So this is the dashboard. Inside the dashboard, after purchasing the product, you have to go through this kind of dashboard, and inside that dashboard you will given some buttons. Okay, so you can register to Stream Cloud Builder, or you can go through via training. Okay, so there is nothing much to show about this dashboard. Okay, so the main thing is to tell you about this product is, let me give you a brief about this product. This product is kind of a all-in-one package of e-commerce stores. Okay, what you can go through this, or what you are getting inside this product, that you are getting so many features and so many automated features to become a good e-commerce or online businessman. Okay, so you can earn easily a good profit with this product from online. You can make this kind of pages easily. You can just instantly or not instantly, maybe within half an hour you can make this kind of pages, and easily you can do the e-commerce stuffs easily. Okay, and these days e-commerce are trending, and also e-commerce is growing rapidly after pandemic, and also the Amazon, this product is also totally focused on Amazon purpose. Okay, so you can easily put the Amazon products, and you can just represent them, and this is the product. Okay, so let me now show you the product overview, and the cost, and the ratings, and the price, and everything. Okay, upsell, sales funnel. Okay, so this is a meme created by me, and I always create meme, that's why you can get the product easily, you can understand the product easily, and also I want a big smile on your face. Okay, so this is the rating of the product. Inside feature and facilities, it has got 96%. I have gone through the training section, and also I have gone through the demo video, and after going through them, I have rated the product. And inside performance, it has got 98%, which is awesome, and ease of use 93%, value for money 97%, which is an excellent rating. And the next one is last one, market hits 96%, which is awesome, and overall it has got 9.6. I never consider market hits inside overall section, and only $19. This product costs only $20. Okay, approximately, and you are getting such kind of product within just $20. And this product has so many features and facilities. Let me show you. They are also giving you 30 days money back guarantee, so nothing to worry with this product. You have to nothing to worry. And this is the product description, and what is this product I have written here, and also these are the key features. Okay, which I was talking about, that this product has so many things to so many features. Okay, you can do with it, and you are getting within just $20. Okay, so these are the features. You can go through them if you want to. Okay, and also inside the product, inside the front end product, you will be given such kind of features like lazy post, spin wheel, notification bar, YouTube animated video, WhatsApp chat. Okay, everything will be given to you within just $20. And also these are the trainings, as I have showed to you inside from this page. Okay, from this page I have showed to you already the training features, and also this kind of features. Okay, so now let me show you the product owner. This is the product owner, Ariel Sandries, and the next one is I highly recommend this product because this is only $19, and this is pretty much surprising for me. Okay, for this kind of product, I have been promoting for this kind of product so many days, and I have never seen the within this cost. Okay, within just so much low cost to get this kind of products. Okay, so this is a sales funnel, and this is a front end product. I have already told you. The next one is Stream Store Traffic, and which costs $37, and you can go through the description. I want you to visit this page to check out all of them, and also to get my bonuses. Okay, let me show you now my bonuses. Stream Store Club $47 and Stream Store Agency $67. so these are the bonuses. I am very much eager to show you the bonuses. Okay, let me go through them firstly. Sorry, little bit faster. Okay, so let me go through them. So I don't want to explain all of the bonuses, each and each. Okay, that will make the video lengthy, and that will make the video hugely lengthy. Okay, so you can see that after 50 bonuses I have put here 300 bonuses as mega bonuses. So those are also stuffed with like softwares, like PDFs, like case studies, like video case studies, like images, and most of them are software and plugins. Okay, like WordPress plugins also. So literally you are getting 350 plus bonuses, 350 plus different bonuses, and the best bonuses I have chosen, and I have gathered them inside one place, and that will be given to you totally free with this product from my side. So you have to go through your purchase history option. Inside that option you will be given this blue button to access the affiliate bonuses. So that was the product overview, and also that was the bonus part from my side, and I am signing out for the day. Bye bye.